Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open Settings, then you should go to the Sounds and Vibrations section, and then to the Do Not Disturb. Here you can switch this mode. You can also set up a schedule for it, like you can select days on which it will repeat, start time, end time of the schedule. You can also allow interruptions, like you can allow calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes for messages. And there's also an option repeated calls, which when enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.